You'll quickly learn how to upload files and folders on your Google Drive account. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, and in this case, I'll be using Google Chrome for this. Visit drive.google.com. That is Google Drive website. If you're not logged in automatically, log in with your Gmail email address, okay? It's a product of Google too. So with the Gmail account and the password, you'll be able to log in, all right? Then the next step is to click on My Drive. To upload a file first, click on this plus sign, then select File Upload. Get to the file you want to upload on your PC, okay, from your PC. So let's go to Downloads folder here. Let's say this particular document here, PDF, is what I want to upload. I'll click on it and I'll click on open, all right? So you can see the progress, and this is uploaded immediately. You can see the file here. Let's talk about folder upload. To upload a folder, the step you need to take is to click on the new button, then select folder upload. This will open a section of your PC. In this case, we are in the downloads. Let's say this is the folder I want to upload that contains some files. I'll click on that and I'll click on upload. Then it will show you the number of files inside the folder. Just as you can see, upload 2 files to this site. I will click on upload. So this file will be uploaded, the folder, sorry. You will see the progress by the bottom part here. And here the folder has been uploaded. So let's get to it here and look at it. Okay, it was uploaded around 1514. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, here we cover a lot on information technology. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.